In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio on Google Sites fast and easy. First, we'll need to access Google Sites. Open your web browser and search for Google Sites. It should be the top result. Click on it to enter the Google Sites platform. If you aren't already, make sure you're logged into your Google account to get started. Once you're in, you'll notice a familiar Google interface, a clean, intuitive setup that ensures you can craft your portfolio with ease. Look for the plus icon, which represents starting a new project. Click on this icon to create a blank page. But if you're short on time or want some inspiration, Google offers a range of templates that make this process quicker. In our case today, we'll focus on using a portfolio template. Click on the Portfolio Template option from the interface. It's user-friendly and saves you from building each section manually, giving you a great starting point. Now you've got a base to work from. The template comes with ready-made sections for your professional details, skills, and work samples. However, these are just suggestions. Feel free to modify them to better fit your style or the kind of work you do. Start by setting a title for your portfolio. Simply click on the title section in the template and type in your desired title. This is the headline of your portfolio, so make sure it represents who you are or what the portfolio is about. Next, let's add work samples. This section is crucial as it showcases your talent to potential clients or employers. Locate the area designated for work samples or projects and begin uploading your files or images. You can also include links if your work is hosted online. Be mindful to present them in a clear and organized way to maximize their impact. Once you've uploaded your content, it's time to dive into customization. Click on the Customize button to start altering the design features. Change fonts, adjust color schemes, or resize images until everything feels just right. This step allows your portfolio to reflect your personal aesthetic and professionalism. Exploring further customization options, you might want to change the overall theme. Look to the right-hand panel where you'll see theme options. From here, you can select different color palettes, layout styles, and fonts which best match your style. Adding a header image or logo can enhance the visual appeal of your portfolio. Consider using dividers and layouts to keep your content neat and visually appealing, ensuring that each section stands out. Finally, the moment of truth, publishing your site. Once you're satisfied with your design and layout, click the Publish button. Here, you can set a custom URL if you have one, which adds a professional touch as you share your portfolio with others. Remember, sharing is easy. You can email, post on your website, or distribute the link through your network. And just like that, you have a polished, professional portfolio that's live and ready to be seen by the world. Happy sharing.